We have created an automated shop management and invoice generator system for business. Now in this video I am going to show you how to use this system. So let's get started. But before showing you how to use this system, at the very first I need to show you what are the benefits of using this system at a glance. So let's see. Okay, in here at the right top corner we can see here dashboard button. If we click here this dashboard, then here we will get the daily sales report as well as the monthly sales report of our business. Here you can see the daily sales report. If you click over there, then here we will get our monthly sales report here. And the interesting thing is that here you can identify from day to day. For example, from one specific date to another specific date. You just need to simply select from there. And here you can see the increase decrease of percentage of your business, how it is going, and here within graph you will get every information. And in case of monthly report, you will get the same thing. But if you click here invoice, then again we will go back here in this tab. And there is, if we click here inventory tab, then here we will get all of the information about our available stock. That means which products are out of stock, which products are available on the stocks, everything we'll get here. Here you can see the product name, the sale price of the product, and what are the total purchase quantity of this product, how much we have already sold, available stocks, what are the average purchasing price, what are the average selling price. Every information you will get here from this inventory page. If we click here this purchase page, then here you will get all the information about our purchase product with its cost price, how much we have purchased from our distributor or dealer or company, and the quantity, the total cost, how much we have paid to our distributor or company, and how much we have kept due to them. It is for our own, for those who do business and who purchase product from their distributor and company. Here you can see you can write down the date, the distributor company name, the address of them. Here you can use their phone number or email address, whatever you want. Okay, well, then here is print button. If we click here, then we will be able to print it too. Okay, here you can see you can print it in this way. And again, if we click here this invoice tab again, then we can go back here, and here is another button is reports. If we click here on this report, then we will be able to find all of the reports of our business. That is, whatever transaction have taken place in business, we will be able to find from this report sheet. Here you can see the date, invoice name of the customer, customer's phone number, mail address, payment method, grand total, paid amount, and obviously the due amount. That is how much organized it is. And here's one thing is due button. If we click here in this due button, then it will show us all the due customer that we have. And here you can see it shows from the great number to the least number. Here you can see so how much sort out is here available. So from there you can find that which customers have paid how much, which customers have kept how much due. Everything will be able to find it here from this due page. And again, if we click here this invoice, then here we can find this search button, modify button. If we need to modify an invoice, we can modify from here. There's print button. If you click here, then our invoice will be printed. There's new button. If you click here new button, then we will be able to create new invoice. Here is save button. We can use this button to save existing invoice. Here is sending mail option. If we want, we can send our invoice to any of our customers easily without typing their mail address. Then there is PDF invoices. That means whatever invoice you have prepared in your whole business life, you'll be able to save all of their PDF file in your Google Drive. That means it will be safe for you, and you can save this for lifetime for your documents. So these are the benefits actually you will get. So now I'm showing you actually how to use this system to bring some extra benefit for your business. Okay, well, so whenever you purchase this invoice or this shop management system from us, we'll complete everything and we'll mail you after completing your system. And then in your mail you will get one mail from us like this way almost. then you just need to simply open the mail, and here you'll find there open in sheets option. If you click here, then your system will be reloading and you'll be able to get the interface like this way. So now I'm showing you how actually you can use this system. So let's get started. Here at the very first, you need to write down your client name. So to write down client name, just need to simply select this box and double click over there. You just need to simply write down your customer name. In the same way, you can write down your customer's phone number, customer's mail address, customer's residence address, everything you can write down here. After write down anything, you just need to simply press enter button. Now you can do it in this way. And here, if you look at the address box, you can find that this box is extended to there because the address is so long. So what you can do in this case, just need to simply keep the cursor here, make it equal to this, then just need to simply press enter, then it will be inside the box. So you can adjust in this way. Now I'm showing you how to add item or product in this invoice. To add any items in the invoice, you need to simply double click on this row box, then all you are done, and now you can add your product. For example, I would like to add here ACI Sablon Mild Antiseptic Soap 100 gram. So what I can do, just need to simply write down here ACI, then here you can see all of the product that starts with ACI, or all of the product of the ACI company is appeared here in this way. It works almost like Google. Whenever we search anything on Google, that way Google suggests us anything with the related keyword. In this way, it shows us or suggests us everything. So you don't need to write down the whole product name. Just need to write down the 1 or 2 letter of the product. Then here we can select our product. Here is our product. Done. And the price is already automatically adjusted here. Now you just need to write down the quantity. And here one thing you can see, here you can see the available stocks is 383 right now. So if we for example, our quantity is 3, just need to press enter, and here you can see that our total is 144 and the available stock is 380. That means we have sold 3. That is the reason from our available from our stocks, the 3 is deducted and available stock is right now 380. So in this way you can track or you can know about your available stocks from this tab. Okay, so in this way you can product the as many product as you want. You can in this way add easy way. Then we can write down the paid amount, how much customers paid. For example, customer don't pay us the full amount, he pays only $100. Just need to press enter, and here you can see the due is $74. If you scroll it, here you can see the subtotal is 144, delivery fee is $30, and grand total is 174. If you want, you can change it. Just need to put your, and then everything is adjusted here like this way. So how much easy it is. And here is payment method. Just simply select your drop down menu, then from there you can select here cash or whatever payment method you use in your business. You can say select from there. We will adjust everything for you. Okay, so we are done with our invoice. Now we need to save this invoice. So to save invoice, we just need to simply click here this save button, then our invoice will be saved. Do you want to save the invoice? Yes. And here you can see our invoice number 30 has been created successfully. Just need to simply click here OK. Okay, so now if we go here this inventory again, then here we can see the update. Here you can see this ACI Sablon Mild Antiseptic Soap. We have purchased total 385 pieces. We have sold 5 pieces, and now there is 380 pieces available here. And here we can see the average purchase price. Then here we can see the average selling price is also available here. So we can in this way find every available information that we need for our business. So please remember here there is 380 pieces available for this soap, because in after a few seconds you will need to remember it. I'm showing you why. So if we go back here again in this invoice tab, in our system there's one thing, if you want you can modify any of the invoices here. So now I'm showing you how you can modify your invoice. Okay, for example, the invoice number 30, your customer Mr. Henry, he just purchased one soap, but the quantity he wants to change. So what can you do? You just need to simply copy his invoice number, again come back here in this tab, and now you can modify it. So how can you do it? You just need to simply, here you can see one box, just need to simply paste the invoice number and press your enter, then click your search, then you will get the invoice here in this way. So now you need to modify it. You can modify in the any way. For example, he paid 100, but if you want he will pay you the whole amount, you can just need to edit here from there. For example, it is 154. Press enter, and here you can see the due amount is 0, but we don't do it right now. For example, at the first time customer ordered this soap 3 pieces and he decided to change it 5 pieces. Just need to write down 5 and press enter. Then we just need to simply click here this modify button. Whenever we click here this modify, then this invoice will be modified instantly. Okay, after modifying, if we go back here in this inventory tab, then here we can find that it is 380, but a few seconds hour it was 380. I asked you to remember, but whenever we changed the number of sales quantity, then it is updated here. Now 378 are available on the stocks. So actually I try to mean that in this way, whenever you give input here in your invoice, then everything will be automatically updated and changed in your inventory and purchase. That means everything will be automatically done, so nothing to get worried about it. Okay, now it is the available stock is 378 pieces. But if you think that you need to order these soap further from your company or from distributor, so now what you can do? For example, we would like to order further 200 pieces of this soap. So what you can do, just as you would like to order this product, just need to copy the name of the product from there. Copy, it is now 378. Okay, then we need to go back here in this purchase page. From there you can just need to simply paste the product name, then we need to write down here the cost price, it is $58. Press enter, and again we purchase 100 from our company or distributor. Enter. Okay, and here you can see the total cost price is calculated automatically and the due amount is showing here. If we keep due, this it is this amount, but if we have paid some amount to our distributor, for example it is 2000, press enter, then here you can see the due amount is 3800. That means in case of our own purchasing for the business, we can find here the paid amount, due amount. That means how much we have kept due to our distributor, how much we have paid to them, everything will be there. And here's one thing, you can write down here the date, then you can write down here the distributor or company name, company address, phone number, whatever you want, you can write down here. Then you can easily contact from this page to your distributor easily. So these are the thing you can do it easily. Then if you go back here again in this inventory tab, okay, for example, let's say there is one product that is totally new for your business that I just showed you, it is for existing product. But whenever you purchase anything new for your business that you have never ever sold, so what can you do? In case you just need to simply scroll it in this page, and then in this row you need to write down your new product name. Let's say it is, okay, let's see the product is woman's body spray 100 ml. Then press enter, writing down this product name. Then here you can just need to simply write down the selling price of this product. That is, how would you like to sell this price to your customer? Let's say it is $250. Press enter, then you are done. So as it is your new product, so in this way you can write down here just your inventory tab. And here's one thing, you are scroll down so long, so don't need to scroll up in this way, just need to simply click here in this button, then you will be here the upper of the page. Okay, as you just added one new product in your inventory, now you need to go back there, this purchase page. Okay, before coming here, we need to just copy the product name. Okay, I can go back here inventory tab, then we need to at first copy the product name that we just added here. Okay, it is the product name we just added here in our inventory. Copy, you just need to write down the sale price. But remember one thing, here is you can see the total purchase quantity is 0, total sale quantity is 0, available stock is 0, everything is 0 because we have not purchased it yet. We just added this product in our inventory that we are going to purchase, but when you purchase, then everything will be updated here. I'm showing you. Then purchase page, just paste in the product name and here the cost price of the product. For example, it is $200. Just press enter, and here you need to put down the total quantity. For example, we purchase is 200 from the company. Press enter, and here you can see everything is calculated: the cost price, quantity, total cost, due amount. Okay, whenever we pay any amount to our distributor company, just need to put the amount here and press enter. Okay, so now if we go back again here, the inventory page, then we can see it will be updated here. Let's see. Okay, and here you can see I just show you it was 0, but when I added the quantity in the purchase page, here you can see it is 200 updated here. So here you can see available stock is 200, available purchase price is $29. But whenever you start selling this product from your business, then it will be updated here automatically. So in this way you can update your inventory, your existing product or new product, whatever you want. You can follow this instruction and you can use for your business in the easy way. So whenever you need to add any new product, at first you need to add in the inventory, just add the product name and its sale price or retail price. Then you just need to go back here in the purchase page. Then you need to add or write down the product name in the purchase page. So whenever you will, as you already added this product only for once, then you don't need to add write down this name in the inventory page further. Just in case of new product, you need to add only once in the inventory page. And whenever you purchase this product again, then you don't need to write down here in the inventory and do anything. Just need to write down here in this purchase page, and everything will be updated here on the inventory page. Let's say you just purchased another 100 pieces, 100 bottle of this spray. Just pressed your 100, enter. Okay, and if you go back to inventory page, you will see that it will be updated here. Okay, let's see, it will be 300. Okay, now let's see how it is actually working. So I think you got how to use this. Now again we need to go back here in this invoice. As I already told about that, there works or benefit of reports page. If you click a report page, then you will get all of the business transaction here easily. Customer details, invoice, address, whatever product, or his grand total, paid amount, due amount, everything you will get from there. But if you would like to know the due amount, if you click here due, then here you will be find the due amount here, paid amount, the due amount. So everything will be there. Here is invoice number 30. We just created Mr. Henry. Here you can see that his total grand total was 250 and his due amount is 150. But for example, if you pay this 150 amount, then what you can do, just need to simply, for example, copy his invoice. Whenever who customer pay you, you can do it for him. Then go back here, invoice. Just need to come here and update it. Okay, that means, sorry, what should I say? Okay, it should be 250. Okay, 250 as he paid you the whole amount. Now you can see the due is 0. If we modify here, then here we will see that his due amount will be 0, but that means his list will be showing here. I'm showing you invoice 30 has created successfully. Okay, and if we click here, it reports again. If we click here, and here you can see invoice number 30, that means here you can see due, the due is totally 0 because he paid. As he paid and we updated here, that's the reason it is showing 0. Okay, as he paid and we updated here, that is why it is showing 0. So in this you can update everything. It is how much easy. Whenever you start using, you'll find how much user friendly this system is. Okay, now the next tab is our button, print button. If you click here, then we'll be able to print the invoice we want to print here. Here you can see. Okay, here is 2 button, download and print. If you want, you can download. If you want, you can print from there. Simple. Then here's anything new. If you click on new, then our new invoice will be opened here. Okay, here you can see automatic, and invoice nong is automatically updated. You don't need to do anything manually. Date, invoice nong, name, tag, everything will be updated easy automatically. Here you can see new invoice is here. Okay, well, so if you click here, save, you know that we can save it. Then here's another thing is send email. I'm showing you how it works. Okay, I need to go back another tab because I didn't need to prepare it. Just press enter. Okay, click a search. Then here you can see how well it works. That means search works very well. Okay, now if for example we would like to send this invoice to our clients, how can we do it? Just need to simply click here send email and it will be sent to your customer directly. Now let's try. Here you can see the mail is this one, MD, right now. Now I'm saying here, just simply click here send email and it is sent to your customer account. Now I'm showing you whether it works or not. Just log in here. It is my another account. I'm showing you. Just log in my account. Okay, here you can see. Here it is loading. I just logged in my account and here you can see I received this email within a seconds. So how much professional it is. So in this way your customer will get your invoice from your business like this way. If you click here, then here you can see everything. Your order is confirmed, thanks for order, customer name automatically generated, invoice nong, and if your customer want, he can download his invoice from there too. So how much it is easy and professional, you already got the idea. Okay, and there is another thing is a PDF invoice. If I click here, actually all of our PDF or all of our invoice information we are preparing here, everything will be saved here in our Google Drive, and here you can see everything will be there. So in this way you can find whatever information you need. That means it's safety for a business, and there is guarantee that never ever it will be lost because it is saved on the Google Drive. So how much it is safe for you to use this invoice. Okay, so if you get the invoice interface like this way, you can get it. If you want, you can just simply click here and it will be in the list view. So whatever you want, you can do it. Okay, and here is the dashboard. If you'd like to get the report of our business, we can get from this tab. Here you can get the daily reports and as well as monthly report. In case of daily report, here you can see that the blue color indicates number of sales, because here is a graph. To understand graph, you need to just see the indication. The red one is average sales, and the orange color indicates total sales, green color indicates total paid, and the deep orange indicates total due. And here you can see the graph, everything. And here you can see the comparison between two dates, June 2 and June 3. Here you can see number of sales was 3 and it was 66% increases. Average sales was $16 and it was decreased 197. And the total sales was increased, total paid percentage was increased, total due was increased. And here you can see the amount, number of sales from May 31 to June 3, the number of sales was 6. Average sales was 1,98,000. Total sales was 2,30,000. Total paid, total due amount. That means every information that you actually need to run your business, you can do it from here. For example, you would like to say, just simply select the date from there, May 31, and you'd like to say, for example, June 2. So just select here the date, and here you can see it will be updated automatically. Here you can see it is updated automatically. So in this way, everything you can do, you can do a specific any day. For example, you would like to say only in a specific day or whatever you sell. let's say it is would like to say how much we have sold on May 31. So in this case we need to use the both start date and end date same. Just simply select the end date 31. Then here you can see only the 1 day report, and on May 31st how much we have sold. So in this way we can get your every information. If you come here this monthly, then again in like daily we can get our reports month by month. For example, any specific month how much you have sold, or from May to June or January to December, that means whatever, we can just need to give here input and everything will be shown here automatically with graph, with the percentage increase, decrease, number of sales, the average sales, everything will be here available in this way. Then again go back here invoice. So actually our this invoice system is online based, so it will be easy for you to access whenever you want. You don't need to have any computer or mobile to use it. You can use it from any devices whenever you want. You can access here because it is online based, so and every your information will be stored on the online easily. Okay, now I'm telling you one thing, it is very important. That means you have to pay only one time in your life, and that you will get free lifetime service. Whenever you face any problem, we can fix for you within a few minutes. Okay, so whenever you use this invoice at the very first time, you need to use it from their Gmail account. But when you use it for the next time, or that means second time, that means you need to use only for the first time from Gmail. Then you don't need to go back here to access this email. Just need to simply click here on simply click here this invoice tab. Then here you can see one link. Just need to simply copy the link and need to save this link in your keep note, in your messenger, or whatever you want. You can save this, just save this link. Then you can, whenever you need to access in your invoice, just need to open another window on your computer. But make sure whenever you are doing it, the email where you sent you the link, just make sure this Gmail account is logged in your desktop, and just need to simply copy the link and just paste the link here on the tab, press enter, and here you can see the interface is here. So in this way you can access in this invoice easily whenever you want. So how much user friendly, organized this system you cannot imagine. Just after using you'll be able to realize that how much it is user friendly and best value for your money.